back to my channel, guys. Another song, another tutorial. This time is from Shawn Mendes, and the title of the song is It Will Be Okay. This is our simple or simplified version of how to play this song. 3 chords for the whole song, and of course we have strumming pattern tutorial part. And again, before we start, for my Filipino viewers, sa mga naghahanap pala ng manipis na string, guys, pwede nyong gamitin. Ang ginagamit ko, manipis at malambot siya. Ganda siya pang practice kasi manipis at malambot lang siya. At samahan nyo rin ng papakinis ng fretboard. Naglagay rin tayo ng Shopee link sa baba. Mura lang isang set ng string na manipis. 71 pesos ang isang set. Mas maigi kung dalawang set ang bilhin niyo. And then, ang pampakinis ng fretboard ay nasa 150 plus. Check nyo lang ang shop, nasa description ng video na ito. These are the chords for the song, guys. For the whole song, we have 3 chords only. The first chord is a simple C, R, and then the second chord is G, simple G, and the last chord is a basic D. Okay, C, R, then G, and then D. Okay, that is our chords. And then for the string pattern, we have 2 parts. The first part is for the first part down only. Okay, this is the first part. First part for string pattern, okay? Down, only down. For the first part, okay? And then repeat this string pattern. And then for the chorus part, here it is. And tell me you'll leave it. Down, 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 up, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Okay. Down, 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 up. Okay. Down, 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 up. If you tell me you'll leave down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Okay. Down, down, up. It'll be your down, down, up, down, down, down. Okay. Down, 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 up, down, down. We need the right timing. Okay. Down, 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 up, down. If you tell me you leave it, okay, it'll be alright. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Now that's all, guys. So that's all, guys. This is our easy or simplified version of how to play this song. Hope you learned in this new video. Again, please like this video if you learned in this video, guys. That's all for today. See you on my next videos and uploads. Bye. If you tell me you leave